Paw Patrol! Miss Marjorie just called. She needs your help.
Paw Patrol, la señorita Marjorie acaba de llamar. Necesita su ayuda.
When the kittens were escaping, they startled her. And she dropped her grocery bag.
Cuando los gatitos se escapaban, la asustaron y se le cayó la bolsa de la compra.
Now her groceries are scattered all over Adventure Bay.
Ahora sus comestibles están por toda Bahía Aventura.
We can find them. Chase is on the case. Podemos encontrarlos. Chase se hará cargo.
Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to help Miss Marjorie. She dropped her shopping bag because the Kitten Catastrophe crew scared her. Those kittens are always causing trouble. But watch out. At the end of the mission, we'll play a language riddle. Here's a clue. Pay close attention when you hear the word water. Ready?
Done. Well done, pup. We're still missing some groceries. Try checking the beach. Maybe they're hidden somewhere in the sand. Marshall, use your water cannon to look for the groceries.
Bien hecho, cachorro. Todavía nos faltan algunos comestibles. Intenta revisar la playa. Tal vez estén escondidos en la arena. Marshall, usa tu cañón de agua para buscar los comestibles.
Choose a pup. Rubble.
Chase. Marshall.
Use Zuma's vehicle on water.
Usa el vehículo de Zuma en el agua.
Choose a pup.
Chase. Rubble. Everest. Zuma. Wow, you found one of my tags.
Choose a pup.
Rocky. Sky. Tracker. Marshall. Need water?
¿Necesitas agua?
Well done.
No more hide and seek, Mr. Cabbage. Possum! One less missing vegetable.
No más jugar a las escondidas, señor Cole. ¡Asombroso! Una verdura perdida menos.
Keep searching the sand with the water cannon.
Sigue buscando en la arena con el cañón de agua.
You unlocked a new vehicle sticker.
Need water? ¿Necesitas agua?
Well done!
All this sand makes me... Achoo!
Good job, Marshall! One last grocery to find with the water cannon.
Toda esta arena me hace... ¡Achoo!
¡Buen trabajo, Marshall! Un último comestible que encontrar con el cañón de agua.
Need water? ¿Necesitas agua?
Well done!
Achoo! All groceries recovered, Ryder.
All right, let's bring all the groceries back to Miss Marjorie.
¡Achoo! Comestibles recuperados, Ryder.
Muy bien, llevemos todos los comestibles a la señorita Marjorie.
Thanks, Paw Patrol. Those kittens were causing so much trouble. Now nothing will stop me from making soup tonight.
Well done! Mission completed!
Let's go with the riddle. I know you'll do amazing. Do you know how to say water in Spanish? I'll give you 3 options. Is it playa? Is it agua? Or is it arena? Yes, the correct answer is agua. Bravo, great job. Water helps you stay strong, play better, and think more clearly. It also keeps you healthy and feeling great. So remember to drink lots of agua every day. See you in the next video. A big hug from your friend Gabby.